Now, our story begins on one stormy night. Oh, the mighty thunder was roaring, lightning was striking, and powerful winds and waves of the ocean violently shook the ship. The fury of the storm was so powerful that the young prince could not prevent the boat from crashing. He jumped out of the sinking boat and into the violent waters. The next day, when the prince woke up, it was a beautiful sunny morning, and he found himself in the middle of the ocean, laying on top of a rock.
But, what do you mean, Serena?
Well, I am a mermaid.
A mermaid?
Yes, I am a mermaid. Would you like to see where I live?
I would love to, but I can't stay under the water very long.
Don't worry, I have a way. One kiss will do the trick.
And whom do we have here? Well, it is not the marvelous, the gorgeous, and the one and only Serena, the most beautiful mermaid.
Wait a minute. That priceless pearl belongs to me! Who is she?
That is the sea witch. She's a very mysterious and a frightening creature.
Don't fear her, my loved one. I will protect you from the evil creature.
Meanwhile, the prince wanted to give Serena a gift. He went to look for colorful shells to make a necklace for her. Without realizing, he was putting the mermaid's life in danger by leaving her all by herself. All of a sudden, a nasty sea creature grabbed her.
Oh, who are you?
I am the pet of the ocean.
Oh, you are the pet of the ocean?
No, I meant the pet of the ocean. blue pearls.
You can't have the blue pearls, that's mine.
What do you mean? I ain't going to take you and the blue pearls. Right.
At last, I have you trapped, and the blue magic pearl will be mine. Nothing can stop me now from becoming the queen of the ocean.